Hey everybody, it's Phil here and you're watching STV Sydney Trains Vlogs. I am just going to do a video on a calendar that I purchased from SETS, or the Sydney Electric Train Society. Conveniently enough, it is a 2021 calendar. Just going to show you a couple of the photos inside, obviously one for each month. And I'll also put in the description below a link if you guys are interested in getting one of these calendars as well. But yeah, as I said, one photo for each month. Self-explanatory. SETS, or the Sydney Electric Train Society, are all about electric trains. So there's January's photo. I'll just go through the first 3 or 4 months. February we have electric logo 8644 at Newcastle Station, as well as 2 VSETs, including one in the Candy livery there. The calendar does include events and public holidays. Chopper Set C8 around Bombo. This was during one of the SETS tours, where they in fact did run a C set, clearly, down the south coast and I think other locations. So that's March's photo. And just one more. Beautiful electric locomotive 4615 hauling some U-set or U-boat cars, and that's for good old April. But yeah, so I will put a link in the description if you guys are interested in grabbing one of these. It's actually pretty cool. But anyway, that's all. Thank you for watching. Give the video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel, and also favorite the video if you want to, and I'll catch you next time. Goodbye for now.